Welcome, builders. Welcome to the workshop. First, let me apologize for having to rush you in like that. But you see, we have been a secret for so long, and we want to preserve that secret for years to come, so we cannot be too careful. And I know this might look like just clutter, but to us it is everything. Let me introduce. This is Adam, this is Narian. I am Josie, and we humbly call ourselves the Gatherers. We travel the galaxy looking for war-torn planets, abandoned outposts, and forgotten ancient temples for all of these relics. And if the First Order were to come, our hope is they would think this is just bits and pieces of junk. But we know that these artifacts are rich in history. And as you know, we are in troubled times. But we've all heard of the legends like Luke Skywalker, and now we have a new Jedi. What is her name? Rey. Yes, Rey. She is our spark of hope. And I believe, builders, like her and you also have heard the calling, because you're here to build this, the lightsaber. They say to build one is a work of art. It is beautiful and mysterious, and it is personal. It has been held by some of our greatest heroes and some of our darkest enemies. And I believe that what connects the builder to the Force. And it all starts with one thing: the Kyber crystal. The Kyber crystal is the heart of your lightsaber. Now, the color of your crystal will determine the color of your blade. And there might be many out there, but we have gathered 4 for you today. And let's begin with blue. Once wielded by Master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and now Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. And violet, it is rare and beautiful, held by Master Mace Windu. And red, the crystal of power, Darth Vader, Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, and now Kylo Ren. But builders, enough with the past, enough with their stories. It is time to start your journey. It's time for you to start your stories. So, if you would, please close your eyes. Everyone, close your eyes. It's time for you to pick your Kyber crystal, or should I say, will it pick you? Now, in your mind, what color do you see? What crystal comes to you? Now, when you have that, hold on to it. Now, open your eyes and take your Kyber crystal. And builders, if you haven't already, please put your Kyber crystal in the green holder in front of you. Now, for your hilt. The hilt will house the heart of your lightsaber. It will focus its energy and magnify it. Now, my fellow builders and I, you're coming around with the choices that you made earlier. In these trays are some of the pieces that you can choose from to create your lightsaber. Now, in a moment, we will explore these trays together. So, if you're ready, let's explore. To your left is your chassis. In 1 and 2, you're going to find your grips or handles to choose from. In 3, your emitters. In 4, your pummel caps. And in 5, your activation plates. Now, builders, are you ready to build?
Yes.
Builders, are you ready to build?
Yes.
Okay, well then let's build. Okay, perfect.
Builders, let's get started. So we're going to take a look at the chassis. And what I like to see is the legs pointed up, and then take your Kyber crystal, put it in bottom first, and then use the spring on top to slip it right in. If you find an easier way for you, that's fine. That's just how I do it. Just make sure it's straight up and down when it's in there, and you should be able to spin it.
Usually see lights in your window.
Very good. I'm hearing some good noises. If you have any trouble, just let me know. I know this is the hard part. Very good, very good. How are we doing, builders?
Almost got it.
Okay, alright, I'll come back to you. How are we doing over here, builder?
I think I almost got it.
Okay.
I almost got it.
Okay, that's fair. May I take a look? Just gotta... Very good. Okay. Very good. Okay. I'll leave you to it. So we're going to move on to our activation plates in column 5. Now, you have 2 selections, you have 2 sets of activation plates to choose from. You'll notice that your selected choice of activation plates will have red and blue squares on the back of them. Also notice that there's red and blue squares on your chassis. Make sure you match red with red, blue with blue. Red with red. Blue. Fantastic, fantastic. Did you hear me?
Force it in if it's not put in the right place.
So basically, you look on the back of your activation plates. You see that there's red and blue squares. See that there's red and blue squares on here. So make sure you match red with red, blue with blue. The squares should actually overlap with each other. So see that? Perfect, perfect. You hear some good noises? Very good. Now once you have it on there, flip your switch, make sure it's discharging. Beautiful. Can you do that again? Beautiful. How are we doing, Billy? Oh! Oh, no problem, no problem. Did you want to keep the switch, or? Yeah. Okay, alright. Yeah, if you want to use the switch. Alright, once you have your activation switch, you can move on to your grips in columns 1 and 2. Now, you notice you have a selection of 4 grips. These can go on the top, or bottom of your chassis. And you'll notice each of them has one thick ring. The thick ring will go towards your Kyber crystal. And then once you have it on there, twist it onto your activation plate so it tightens. Are you having trouble? Let me take a look. Those are the top 2 on the bottom ring. Okay. So, just have them. So make sure like the blue square can overlap the other blue square. The red square can overlap. There you go. Take the ring towards the Kyber crystal. Take it over. Yes, yes. Oh, I'm sorry. Columns 1 and 2, you have a selection of 4 grips. Any of these grips can go on the top or bottom of your chassis. And then you see there's a thick ring right here. This thick ring will go towards the Kyber. So once you have it on there, you can twist it onto your activation plates.
So I could choose like these 2.
Cool. Yeah, definitely. So then once you've chosen your 2 grips, then you can move on to your emitter in column 3. Now your emitter is going to go at the very top of your lightsaber where the blade will emit and where the opening is. Want to see that? I'll make sure you're out right now. Choosing another grip. Just before your call. Oh, yeah. So you can choose on the top and bottom. So that is going to go. These two can go on the very top. These two are going to go on that. Here's the It looks like you did.
I'm doing well. So do we do this part?
Right. It doesn't always line up the first time. It can, yeah, absolutely. But as long as it's tight, it's fine. But if you go home and mess with this a little bit more, it will eventually. Then that's what we use.
Feel this. There it is.
Just make sure you don't.
You're right, a lot of people are doing the one that you are.
How do you feel about your build? You want me to come back to you? Okay, alright, I'll come back to you. What do you think of your build? Okay. How are you feeling about your build?
I'm feeling it.
You're feeling it? That's fantastic for a Jedi. Take a look now. Very nice, everything's tight. Beautiful. It's discharging like it should. That means it can turn on. Alright, I see you've chosen these ancient engravings. Do you know what they mean? No. Neither do I. Alright. So everything feels tight, everything feels secure. Very nice build. I'm going to set it down right here. And your activation switch is right here when the time is right. Alright, so we're feeling good about this? I think I got it. Reminds me a little bit of anything. I'm going to set this down right here. Your activation switch is right where the time is right.
part of the whole process. So I'm going to ask you to please all take a large step back. You might want to take a larger step back. This is when we are to stabilize your lightsabers. It is the most dangerous part of this whole process, as I said, and it is usually done by a practiced hand. Sometimes it could take years to make sure you do this correctly. But we have only had about 4 weeks of practice. So we want everybody to stay safe.
How a week?
I had 4.
I only came here yesterday.
So everybody on this side, don't look at, and just look up and maybe side part when she's doing that. How are you doing, Anna? You look like you're doing well.
I'm pretty confident today.
Oh, good.
I'm pretty confident that I won't make another hole in the wall like yesterday.
Excellent. That's what we want to hear. Okay, that's what we want to hear. Okay, so now we have all that done. And so now the next step is to take the what happened.
Much skill have you shown. Chosen for yourself what you have. Now, joined you will be. It is time.
Wow, Master Yoda. Oh, no, the force must be strong in here. Now, as I was saying, it's time to forge the bond between Builder and Saber. So in a moment, we're going to step forward. You're going to put your hand on your hilt, and we're going to activate together. Are you ready, Builders? Yes. Step forward. Put your hand on your hilt. Let's make sure everybody's ready. Take a deep breath and activate. Raise your lightsaber. You have built a lightsaber like the Jedi and Sith who have come before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark.
Like the fire.
Builders, please deactivate.
Complete your lightsaber is. Now, your destiny you seek, your own path. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. And thank you, Builders. You have built lightsabers that are as unique and extraordinary as you are. Now, in your hands, you hold remarkable power. But remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. For the protection of your lightsaber, we are pleased to present to you the Saber Sheath as you depart. Now, our time has come to an end, but your journey is just beginning. It's time for you to make your mark in the galaxy. And who knows, someday we might be telling your stories. To the Spire! Everyone, good journey! Good journey. And remember, if you find any
Congratulations.